Hey, this is Kelsey Simon, and in this video, I want to share with you how to start an affiliate marketing business with job income. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to be able to assign some of your income to this one area here, which is first taxes. All right. The entire formula that I want you to think about is, and I guess I wouldn't call it a formula, but more so like an acronym, is TWCGO. And it's just a way to allocate your income from your job. Um, and job income could also be self-employment income as well. So just in any active income that you're earning from your employment, but you want to convert that income into your business so that you can earn some passive income. All right. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take 20% of your active income, and that's going to go towards taxes and insurance. All right. That's what you're going to spend. The W as a part of TWCGO is wealth. So this is your savings. And you're going to take 10% of your active income, and that's going to go towards savings like small emergency fund, debt, a full emergency fund, long-term savings protection, such as maybe purchasing gold and silver, those type of things. Now the C is charity. This is your giving. So you want to allow 10% of your income towards charitable donations. And then the G is for general household expenses. And this is for spending. And 50% of your active income will go towards your personal household expenses like food and housing, transportation, utilities, clothing, etc. And then this is where you want to invest in your affiliate business, the operations. This is the O in TWCGO. This is where you invest. And you want to take 10% in cash flow from this active income to invest in your affiliate marketing business and get started as a new online affiliate marketer building an affiliate marketing business. So this is how you take your active income from your job and convert it, or at least get you started with building an affiliate business so that you can have additional income coming into your household. So thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe and at least click on that bell notification to get notified when I release new affiliate marketing videos. Also leave a comment, and I definitely would appreciate it if you smash the like button. All right. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.